Hello everyone, welcome to next Selenium tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn four different alternative ways for send keys. So by default Selenium supports send keys method. So second way is we have to use JavaScript executor. Third way is we can use all actions class. Fourth way is we can use robot class. Robot class is a bit hard, so most of the people won't use this. So let's see one by one how we can work on that. So I'm going to take google.com as example over here to type. So let's try driver.get. I'm going to launch google.com https www.google.com. So it is going to launch google.com and then driver.find element by. So I'm going to take google.com's name as a example. Right click and so we can see name as a unique one. So I'm going to take this name as a unique one. So it is a queue find element by name. This is just a queue, right? So this will return web element. Let me store it into web element interface element, right? So let me import this from Selenium. So on this element I'm going to send keys. So we can use, this is the first method that everybody usually use this directly. So I'm going to just type alternate ways for send keys, right? I'm going to type this. This is the first way, everybody knows it. So the second way is we can use JavaScript executor. So JavaScript executor, you can use this. JavaScript executor is equal to, we have to give the control over to JavaScript executor, then it will take care. So over here what we have to do is we have to JavaScript executor dot execute script. We can use this. So here we have to give. So in turn in JavaScript also we have two different methods to send keys. So one is directly we can send. So I will show you how can we write a script for JavaScript over here. Let me open again developer console. Go to console. So if you type here document dot get elements by name, so we have found name as a queue. So here it is find elements by name. So we have to this returns a list. So I'm going to take first element from the list dot, we have to type the value, we have to give the value equal to, in single quotes we can give that send keys. So this is the way we have to give over there. So I'm going to give the same in the Selenium script. If you want to verify this whether it's working or not, just click press enter. You can see here in console it is typing the send keys. So you can take the same to type from Selenium as well. You can give the same JavaScript over here. So this is the one way that we can give using JavaScript. So another way is using this WebDriver element itself we can give. So let us see that how we can give it. So instead of document we have to give arguments of 0, right? So dot value directly we can give. So what is this argument? We have to pass as a element, web element. So this is a Java execute script will take two arguments or either one argument, so overloaded method. So either of these ways we can give send the keys, right? This is the second way. So third way is we can use actions class. So this is, make sure this is the actions class, not action. This is from Selenium. So you can see org.openqa.selenium.interactions. So we have to import this. So here also we have to pass the control over to actions class. So I'm passing this. So if you just action dot, you can see it is giving send keys, right? So we can give here what is the element you want to type. So element what is the character sequence. So I'm going to give the same alternate ways for send keys. So this is the third way, right? So let's see one by one all these three, then we'll go for robot class. So robot class is a bit hard. So first three things we will see. Let me comment this. One by one we will execute it. So send keys, this has to open the browser, and it is launching the google.com. You can see here it is just typed alternate ways for send keys. This is the directly we are using send keys method. This is the one way. Okay, so let me comment this and let's execute JavaScript executor. Right, I will comment this and this as well. Right, let me execute this. Open the browser, launching the google.com. You can see here send keys. Right, this is using, this is the send keys value, it is typing. Right, so let me execute one more way of executing through JavaScript. Right click, run as. You can see launching the browser, opening the google.com. You can see alternate ways for send keys. So this is the second way of executing JavaScript executor, and let me comment this as well. And the third way, let's execute in the third way. So this is the third way that we can send keys. Type the words in the any input text box. Launch the browser. So why it is not performing any action? Because so after send keys we have to give perform action. So that's why it is not sent this. Let's execute again. Launching the google.com. You can see now it is typed. Alternate ways for send keys. Same it is executed. Right. So let's see the fourth way. So this is not recommended actually. So if if your application is not supporting any of either of these three ways, then you can go for this robot class. This robot class is directly supported from Java. So you can see java.awt package. So it is not from a Selenium. So it's up to us whether we are going for risk or not. So let us type something robot robot. So there is no way of controlling from Selenium about this class. So we have to control on our own on this. Robot dot. You can see over here we have to give key press. First we have to press the key and then we have to release the key. For any press we have to give the two controls. So here we for this, right, from AWT package we have to use key events. It is coming from java.awt.events package. Key event dot what you want to give space. I'm going to try press space. So same we have to release the same key. Right, keep key release. So for any press and release, right, it is one action. So we have to give whatever we are going to give. So I'm going to press send. Yes. E N D send. So we are going to type this. So what happens, so this robot class will not take any actions any on element. Whatever the element is focused in the upfront, it will try to enter the whatever it is we are giving the letters, it will try to type it. So first it has to be in focus, then only it will start typing the words. So I'm going to give to get the focus on like this. So let me give some wait time so that we can clearly see what is going on. Sleep for 5 seconds or 2 seconds. I will give, it will give error. So for each press I'm going to give 2 seconds, so to see what is going on. Right, let's run this. And see, it is typed first keys and keys. Now it will press the space. Now yes, after 2 seconds E, after 2 seconds end, after 2 seconds D. Right, so this is how much we have given in the using robot class, the last this space and send keys using robot class. So that is how it will actually works. Right, so these are the 4 different ways in Selenium that we can use for send keys. If your application is not supporting either of the ways, you can go for alternative ways. Right, so that's all from today's video. If you like the video, give thumbs up. If you have any questions or clarification, leave it in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.